Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up pay for EV charging at Electrify America, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up payment for EV charging at Electrify America, start by downloading the Electrify America app from your device's app store. Open the app and create a new account by entering your email address and creating a password. You will receive a verification email. Click the link in the email to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, log in to the Electrify America app. Navigate to the Payments section within the app. Choose your preferred payment method. You can opt for a credit or debit card, or link a digital wallet. If you select a credit or debit card, enter your card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. For adding a digital wallet, follow the prompt specific to that wallet type. Review the terms and conditions before confirming your payment method. Once your payment method is set up, you will see a confirmation message. Now, locate a nearby Electrify America charging station using the app's map feature. Select a charging station and check its availability. When you arrive at the station, tap Start Charging within the app. If prompted, scan the QR code on the charging station or plug in your vehicle's charging connector. Confirm the amount of time or energy you wish to charge for. Begin your charging session and monitor the progress through the app. Once charging is complete, unplug your vehicle and end the session in the app. Review your charging session details and receipt in the app for future reference. If you encounter any issues, use the support feature in the app to get assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.